Assalamualaikum, viewer. Hope you are fine. Today is my topic: how to install Adobe InDesign. It is used for documents, slideshows, flyer, poster creating. First of all, open your setup file. Click on setup, exe file. And click on setup file. Installation start. And install version, therefore click on try. It is for limit time. Read instruction carefully, then click on accept. If your internet is disable your internet. Open internet setting and disable it before installation. After disable, click on install. Choose your safe location. Installations continues. Now your installation is completed. Open file InDesign. It is 30 days trial version. Open InDesign. Now you can create documents, posters, slideshows, flyers. Thank you, viewer. Please like and subscribe my channel for next video. Love you.